Good morning, everyone in YouTube land. Welcome to the Train Expert channel for the third straight day on this Wednesday. November 9th, the day after Election Day 2022. We have a Western New York grain hopper train. This is the trains we got from Monday. Let's check it out. This is a Western New York grain hopper train after we got
Meadville, Pennsylvania. Got a grain hopper train. Let's check it out. Really short grain hopper it is.
actually it is a short one, yeah.
And there's a stop.
There's a stop right here. While this is the stop. No, this is a grain hopper train, yeah. We're going to remind everyone while the train stops, remember, if you haven't already, subscribe to Jeffrey the Train Expert on YouTube, along with Jeffrey's regular channel page.
Here comes engine number 432 on the end.
Here's engine number 432 on the end.
There's the end.
It's only one engine hauling the grain hopper train. That was odd. Usually it's two.
No, this is Western New York. We just ended the OC&Ts about a couple hours ago, and now this is the first OC&T, or excuse me, first Western New York indeed in a couple of months.
Alright, we're gonna freeze it here. Yep, this is the first Western New Yorks in a couple months because I got that very short grain hopper train was all I got there last time. So, but that grain hopper train was a little better right now, so. Alright, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later. That will be the very short grain train it is. Talk to you later.